Okay. Welcome. Is this plugged in? Okay, good. It is.
Three, funky.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I really picked a really unfortunate picture to freeze frame, but I wanted to say sorry for my eyelashes. Something's like messed up in them and it just distracted me the entire video. I'm sorry. I am in my parents' house right now, which is very strange to be filming here. I haven't filmed here in a very long time. I am back and I'm so excited. I went to England. If you guys don't follow me on social media, you wouldn't know that, but if you do, then you do know that, and I am so excited. All the next videos are going to be kind of related to it, so get excited. But today I just really wanted to use my new bag and I couldn't do it until I filmed this video. At least I wanted to, because it's fun and it's really exciting for me because personally, all of my bags that I've ever purchased have been pre-owned or just purchased online. So I never got the thrill, which just sounds so first world problem, and I don't mean for it to be, but like, if you know, you know. And if you guys don't know this, like when you buy bags in Europe, I think mainly it's cheaper in like France or something like that, but I wanted to purchase something whenever I did get the opportunity to go abroad because I've never done that before and I wanted something to commemorate with that. I saved up my money and I justified it because we renewed our lease in our house, so we're gonna be there for another year, so I still have a long time to save financially for a house, a whole nother year, which makes no sense because I'm being financially smart about that by saving more money for that, but then I do stupid shit like this and spend money on a bag. It's kind of funny and ironic that I'm doing this video because my last video was about like stupid purchases I've made in my 20s, and like here I am being really irresponsible with my money. It's gotta be just let loose, live your life, be a 25-year-old. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get into this video. I'm so excited. Thank God Cody was there, or else I would have chickened out 110%. He was like, you deserve this, and I was like, I originally wanted to buy my bag at Harrods because I feel like that's like iconic London, but I didn't because I didn't have the bag there. So I went to Selfridges. When I went to Chloe, I couldn't decide if I wanted two bags. One of the bags that I didn't get, obviously, because I only got one bag because I'm not made of money, was the Chloe test bag, but I figured since that one was just kind of always in the collection, I could get that whenever. And now that the Chloe test is really big, it's having a moment. It's a little bit more expensive, but I feel like you can find those on the secondhand market for relatively cheap. But this bag I saw on Emma Roberts and I was just like, that is everything I needed. Here's the dust bag. Here it is. Are you ready for this? Oh, there it says Chloe. I even left the like stuff on. Well, I had to for customs. Is she not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in your entire life? I know, I'm shooketh. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about this bag now. This is the Chloe Roy bag, the mini bucket bag, I think. I've seen this bag on Amy's song, but in like a different color. And also Emma Roberts had this exact one, which is what inspired me, low-key. Like, I love her, but I just love the bag even more, to be honest. It's very 70s inspired, and I love that about it, obviously, because I'm wearing like a jumpsuit that is very 70s looking. But it's very spacious on the inside since it is a bucket bag, so it can fit like my vlog camera, it can fit the stuff that I carry on a daily basis, which was very important to me because I carry a lot of shit. You know, I wanted a bag that could be worn with sweats and not look like too outrageous. And it's just like perfect for my style and everything like that. And I'm like, oh, come on, get me to Coachella. Holy cow, she's beautiful. I have my Palm Springs mini bag here, right here with me. As you can see, this one's seen better days. I've had this for 3 years. Can you believe it? 3 years, that's insane. Like, that's longer than my actual relationship. Sad but true. But this thing has been with me through everything, and I kind of wanted something that was similar to that, where it's just been like beat to the ground. I mean, granted, this one is a darker color and this one's definitely a lighter color, but I think since it's like the creamy color and not just like stark white, it will be way more practical because I can use it in the winter time as well, because I feel like cream is kind of a wintry shade as well as obviously summer. And as you guys know, I love wearing white. White's my favorite color to wear. So this just made sense to me. I am so excited. Holy crap. Smells like a new bag. I'm all over the place, but that's just because I'm really excited and also very jet lagged. I've been up for a very long time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure you stick around by subscribing. I'm gonna have so many more England related content coming here. And also check out my Instagram to see me styling this bag because she's beautiful and I'm so excited. Just can't hide it. Selfridges, I love you. Not sponsored, wish it was, because then my bank account wouldn't be crying. Until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!